Hello everyone, this is the Case Breakers. Tonight I'm coming at you with a personal box break of 2013 Certified Football. This one is for Kyle G. Kyle, I give it a little mojo stab for you, brother. This stuff is awesome, Glenn. I'm surprised you didn't get your Saints in the case that I did, the two cases that I did. Or any MMA stuff or anything. Ooh, a pack on the bottom. Alright, Kyle, there you go, brother. Thank you very much. And away we go. It is not the hot box. There's still a hot box left, only 3 boxes left. Alright, Kyle, I'm not going to show the base, just the hits for you. And the first one is Jonathan Cyprian, rookie. And that's number 685 of 999. All right. We got a mirror red in here, Kyle. Number 64 of 250. Booma Esiason. Nice hit, Kyle. I love this stuff, guys, and I got another team case break coming up next week for you guys. Alright, you're going to have a hit in here, Kyle. There's just base there. And let's see what you get. Oh, Kenny Stills. There you go, buddy. We didn't hit any Saints autographs yesterday, and you get one. Nice one. 131 of 399. Dual autograph jersey. That is sweet. And the rest are just base. Well, that means the next box could be the hot box. You never know. It's still out there, though. 5 spots left, guys, on the site. Only 5. $9 for 2 teams. There's a nice one. Troy Aikman, Immortal Short Print. And that's number 510 of 999. He just might. He just might. You have a mirror blue. Mirror blue. Number 64 of 100. Nice. Brent Selleck for the Eagles. 64 of 100. These cards are pretty. Alright, you got a relic in here, Kyle. Ooh, I like the colors, I'll tell you that much. Ooh, I like the colors. Jordan Reed, rookie. And that's number 478 of 999. Now, goes. That way. 157 of 199. Terrell Suggs. Not the team I thought it was, but still a good hit, Kyle. Suggs is a great play. I thought it was going to be the Vikings because I saw the colors. But still a nice hit, buddy. You still have one autograph left and hopefully some numbered cards in here. And there's a numbered card. It's a rookie. 116 of 250. Eric Reed. That's a nice card, buddy. Because he's playing like a monster. Nice hit there, Kyle. I like Reed. He looks like a beast. And another mirror red. 991 of 999. So this is going to be an autograph. Kenjon Barner. Not a bad hit at all. Not a bad hit at all, Kyle. Alright, 2 packs left. Let's hope for something really nice. And that's just going to have a rookie. Nice. Kyle Giovanni Bernard, buddy. There you go. 720 of 999. Boom, baby. And let's see if we can get Kyle some last pack. Boom, baby. Come on. Last pack mojo for Kyle. Yeah, looks like you got an extra relic in here, buddy. Number 15 of 99. Nice. Look at that. Very nice. Drew Brees jersey card, 15 of 99. Kyle, that was an awesome box, brother. That was a nice box. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to check us out, www.thecasebreakers.com. Follow us on Twitter @thecasebreakers and check out my eBay auctions. My eBay ID is TheCaseBreakers. Boom, baby!